guys, this is Remax and Timka. Today we want to make some hot tent camping. We are close to the huge lake and it's from 4 Celsius to 6-9 degrees Celsius closer to the water, wind getting stronger and it's really cold there.
Скажи мне сказку про Лешего.
Сказка про Лешего?
Да. Потянули.
Let's pack this tent.
There are lots of rocks underneath. So maybe like this.
Okay, our tent is ready, so I'm gonna assemble our stuff and I want to put floor down our tent. Let's put our inner floor. Well, that's it. Our inner floor is ready. So it's really cozy now in this tent. I hope Timofeyka will like it. It's a spacious tent and there's really a ton of room here. So let's assemble our stuff. This is a place for our stuff. That's a water reservoir for heating the water, so we can put here snow in the winter, or we will boil water today and try how it will be. So our pipe is installed and I really advise you to pinch the pegs from the pipe, because in a strong wind it can bend all this construction with the stuff. It happened with me one time, not with this stuff but with the titanium stuff, in a night in a winter, because of the strong wind. This whole construction, I was in a smaller tent, but I reacted very fast and nothing really bad happened, only my shoe was burned a little, but anyways, it's not a problem. So everything is ready. I really love this floor because inside the tent you can walk without your shoes, and the feeling with the floor is something different. It's like feeling you are in the home. Okay, let's collect some wood.
Мам, ты красивый. Остановить. Мама, когда я был маленький, вы давали мне погремушку?
Here's our wood processing facility. This is the CEO and this is the director. Now we have a good going fire, and I want to put some water in here for tea. And when Ira and Timofey will come back from the lake, we'll start to make lunch.
Даже лицо горячее, когда так стоишь. Лицо горячее почти. И даже лопатка.
Today we're gonna prepare some simple food, some noodles, some meat and salad. It's really cozy inside our tent and it's really hot. We are just sitting in our t-shirts. Of course it's not winter now, but as I said, the temperature at the night may drop to 4 degrees Celsius. This tent is huge. It's really huge. So much space. Today's lunch is meat, some pepper, and for the sauce we used sour cream, dill, and some onions. It's really simple and tastes really great.
Пап,
We are getting ready for a sleep. It's really warm here. We
we
are wearing just our t-shirts, but it feels like, I don't know, maybe 30
there.
up here or even more. And it's a little bit less here. But anyways, it's really hot. We won't burn our stuff for a night because we have our winter equipment with us and we will sleep in it. Just because we can't sleep and we can't sleep. We can't sleep. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Помахай. Good night. Good morning, guys. it was really something insane outside. It was a really strong wind with a heavy rain. But the tent kept us dry and everything here is dry. Now we want to prepare some breakfast. It's really cozy here and outside, as I said, it's something. So here's our team.
Good morning. Еще веревки.
А дальше он поехал.
Да, и он купил билет в Архангельск и поехал, а там уже Баба Яга его встретила.
Дочь.
Okay guys, we are getting ready to leave. We have packed everything. There is no one in a tent now. Everything is in the car. So it's very convenient to have this dry spot to pack everything not in a wet conditions. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. It's really windy and it's really rainy outside, but it's great to be outdoors. See you in next videos. Bye bye.